Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay and this is Make Money with Video. In today's video, I'm just going to look at, it's going to be a short video, I'm going to look at my Etsy income report for Christmas. Yeah, I've been showing you, this is my video, I've been showing you different earnings throughout leading up to Christmas and that. I've been showing you different videos how to make what I do basically. But let's just get into the video, guys. Like I said, it's going to be quick, short and simple. Yeah, so here we go. I made £345. That's British pounds because I'm in the UK. That's how much I made, guys. I sold 219, and all I sell, guys, is printable games. Yeah. You go to my channel. Yeah, just printable games that they can print off, and it's a passive income, guys. Yeah, that's the best thing about it. I created this stuff leading up to Christmas, and then over Christmas, I just sat back and relaxed, and the orders came in. Yeah, I'm not making thousands, but my channel's only small, so I'm going to add to it this year. I'm going to keep adding to it. And then hopefully next year by Christmas, I'm going to have it into the thousands. Yeah. So that is it, guys, for this video. Short and simple. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and check out some other videos, guys, where I show you different ways to make money with video, with Etsy, and with KDP. And you can see lots of different videos, lots of different styles, and some of I show my channels as well, guys. So check it out, guys, and thanks very much for watching. Next time, goodbye.